Advantages and disadvantages of digital safes. What is a digital safe lock? Some people might not know the difference between a mechanical lock and a digital lock for a safe. Some safes are equipped with plastic locks that require a key in order to be opened. Another type of mechanical lock is one with a dial, where you turn it to enter the combination and open the door. In a way, the electronic safe lock works just like the traditional one, except that you don't need to turn a key to open it. When you enter the code, the mechanisms automatically turn and unlock your safe. Advantages of electronic safe lock. Reliability. This may be a controversial statement, but locks that operate with computers and electronic chips have fewer chances of becoming worn out. Also, they can't be picked because they simply don't have a keyhole. Easy to use. You just need to press a few buttons on the keypad, and voila, your door opens. Even if you forget the combination, some models are designed to reset an old combination and create a new one. Protection from thieves. After a few unsuccessful attempts, the lock will be blocked. Moreover, if your safe is equipped with a dual control mode, thieves will have to deal with two different combinations that may have completely different sequences. Total control. As the owner, you have complete control over how you want to use the device. You can change the number of codes, disable some of them, or add new ones. Disadvantages of electronic safe locks. Price. Every time people choose between mechanical and digital safes, they compare the prices. Electronic devices are expensive, mostly because of all these chips and mechanisms implemented inside the construction. Battery replacement. As we mentioned above, the keypad in the digital safe runs with a battery. These batteries need to be replaced occasionally. Most safes now have a notification system, so users will get notifications about the battery status. Poor resistance to water and chemical damage. Safe owners need to be careful while choosing a place for their electronic safes. Even a small amount of liquid, water, soda, chemicals for washing, can cause serious damage. Today, the digital electronic safe is not something out of the ordinary. People who want to keep their belongings safe and not take any chances of theft will seriously consider buying this product. However, purchasing a safe is not enough. It's also important to understand where to keep it, how to maintain it, and what to do in an emergency. So, finding a local locksmith you can count on would probably be an intelligent solution, and Sherlock Key might be an excellent option. We are available 24 hours a day, working to keep you safe throughout the year. Have some problems with the digital lock for safe? Give us a call.